You ready to play a game? You ready to play a game? You ready to play a bloodclaat game? Eh? John no star. Just call me Afro thing. You see it. Mad. So, you know why you're here to play this game? Cause you decide, say, you have to bleach your face. You must appreciate yourself for the body where you have. Some girls gonna bleach them skin. And some youth gonna bleach them skin. Alright. So you see cause them not appreciate the skin I God give them. Them are gonna suffer. You ready to play a game? Youth, brace, splash, body drop. Them ready to play a game. I think them ready to play a game. Scott, you feel like them ready to play a game?
Yeah.
I feel like them ready to play a bloodclaat game. Nothing at all. You have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. To put your face in a pan full of acid and burn it off. To make you know that bleach in there. 30 seconds to do that. And if your hair burn off and your face drop off and your nose drop off, that's all I have got. 30 seconds! Yeah, this is a play a game at all.